Hi guys, now I want to talk about a topic that most people don't like, which is cleaning up. So it's really important to have order and to really clean up your things because you will feel better and the energy will flow better in your whole life. You will feel the effect. I guarantee you this. I did a personal development training course where we had to bring everything in order, like our taxes, our house, clean our car, and throw away all the things that we don't need or give them away or sell them. And yeah, just order. And also I did a trauma healing clinic with Dancing Thunder. And one thing we had to do before we even did the trauma healing is to align everything in the room, that everything was in order. It wasn't allowed that anything was out of order, out of line. Everything had to be in the same direction so that the energy could flow. And this is really important. So please do this. Bring everything in your life in order. Everything that feels like loose ends, everything that isn't clear, everything you haven't done, please do it. Order, structure, and make a list and do it one after each other. And I guarantee you will feel better. Bye, guys.